This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. The new IKEA Stockholm collection is finally here. And there are almost 100 new products that have been announced to be one of the best IKEA products of all time. And today we're going to the best new IKEA finds from the Stockholm collection 2025. And trust me, you won't believe this is IKEA. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and this is my dog Mars. And we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you want to stay tuned. Now let me just start by saying that the 2025 Stockholm collection is unlike anything you've ever seen at IKEA. Yup, it's that good. It was announced at the beginning of this year to celebrate the 40-year anniversary of the Stockholm collection and is said to be the largest IKEA collection yet. So let's start right off with the new finds from the Stockholm collection, and we're starting off with the sofas. And I'm just going to say, wow! I mean, right from the start, this sofa looks so modern and unlike anything you've ever seen at IKEA before. It honestly looks like it's legit from a high-quality designer store, and the fact that you can make it your own by adding the modules is amazing. The sections are super easy to connect, and you can combine several to create a sofa that suits your space and needs. You can get it as a 3-seat, a sectional, a love seat. The combinations are endless. Not to mention the materials of this sofa that is actually velvet and feels super soft. You can also get an option made out of Durmo, which is this teddy-like fabric in cotton and polyester with a distinct texture that is so soft to the touch. This beautiful sofa comes in 4 color options, and let me just say, I think this is the best sofa IKEA has ever released, and I just can't wait to try it out in stores. Loving it. Another new sofa from the 2025 Stockholm collection is this simple and elegant wood-based sofa with generous proportions, beautiful natural material, and a wooden frame that creates a robust expression. And again, another design that looks so beautiful and so Japandi. Loving the exposed wood frame. It looks so beautiful. The cover of this one is actually made out of a fabric in cotton and linen with a subtle texture that gives such a pleasant feel, and the inside is made out of pocket springs, making it super comfortable. For now, this sofa comes only in one size and one color option, but I bet they will release it in more options soon. Loving it so much. Now moving on to coffee tables. A new coffee table from this collection is this beautiful glass top coffee table made out of oak veneer. The Stockholm collection has always had the best coffee tables, and this large round glass table is another one in the stir. It has such a natural yet elegant look with every detail carefully crafted. It's a hologram of the modern Scandinavian design with honest, natural materials and a sleek, elegant shape. The high edge around the glass top is made to prevent your items from falling off the table, and the glass top is easy to detach and lift off, making it so easy to wipe off both the top and the underframe. All in all, a simple, subtle expression enhanced by smart construction with no visible fittings. Another new coffee table from the Stockholm collection is this sleek and airy coffee table made out of solid wood. This one has such a traditional Scandinavian design with sleek and stylish lines and a solid pine that adds this natural warmth. It also reminds me of those Japanese floor tables I love so much. The long and slim shape means that you can also position it along a wall and put flowers, books, and other decor. And the timeless craftsmanship that highlights the grain of the pine makes each table unique. A new side table from this collection is this versatile serving trolley with storage and hidden casters. This one is made out of oak veneer and has such a minimalist design with a floating expression. The high edges on both the upper and lower storage areas keep your items secure and prevent them from falling off the trolley, which is so smart. Plus, the casters make it so easy to move it around wherever you need it around your home. Another new IKEA find from the Stockholm 2025 collection that's in that similar style is this beautiful bench with a pad. If I had to pick one product from this collection that was my favorite, it would definitely be this one. It has such a timeless expression, carefully selected materials, and details that make it both exude quality and provide you with comfort. The stable frame in solid wood gives a warm, natural impression and has such beautiful details like the beveled corners. The cover is made out of onion-lined leather, which is the finest type of leather of the highest quality. As it ages, it becomes softer and gets a darker tone and fine patina. And when we're talking about products that don't look like they are from IKEA, you just have to check out this new pendant lamp that looks so luxe. This elegant chandelier, with its 45 glass tubes hanging on brass plated metal hooks, is just guaranteed to be a real eye-catcher wherever you decide to place it in your home. I mean, it looks so gorgeous and so beautiful. The lamp provides direct light over the dining table, but if you want a good general light, you can also hang it closer to the ceiling. Whether you hang this beautiful chandelier over the dining table or in the living room, it will be a real eye-catcher with its glass cylinders and beautiful brass-plated details. Now, before we move on to the rest of the Stockholm Collection 2025, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the all-in-one platform that makes creating your online presence so easy. What I've been absolutely loving about Squarespace lately are their template customization options. You start with these professionally designed templates, but then you can completely transform them to match your vision. The way you can adjust layouts, colors, fonts, and spacing is just so intuitive. It's just like having design superpowers. Another thing that's so amazing about Squarespace are their SEO tools. They make it super easy to optimize your website so that people can actually find you online. Customizing meta titles and descriptions, creating custom URLs, all of these technical things behind the scenes without you having to be an SEO expert. Plus, their email campaign features are fantastic. You can create these gorgeous email newsletters that perfectly match your website's aesthetic. The template designs are so clean and modern, and the way you can manage your subscriber lists and track your results all in one place is just such a smart solution. So if you want to create your dream website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new IKEA finds. Now moving on to chairs, another beautiful new find from this collection is this birch veneer chair with a banded linen seat. This armchair has a minimalist, timeless, and warm look with solid band veneer in birch and a generous seat in woven linen bands. It honestly looks like a piece of nature indoors. The robust frame, generous seat, and a comfortable angled backrest offers both quality and comfort that will last for generations. It goes well throughout the home, anywhere you need a relaxing place and something beautiful to look at. Another new chair that looks so good is this high-quality chair made out of solid oak. Not only this chair looks so gorgeous, but it's also a quality piece of furniture since it's made out of sturdy, solid oak frame, a genuine leather seat, and a natural rattan backrest. This one looks so aesthetic, offering a luxurious feel and appearance, and I know this one is pricey, but the meticulous craftsmanship and premium materials ensure that the chair remains a valued addition to your home for a long time. Loving this one so much. A new cabinet from the Stockholm Collection 2025 is this beautiful pine cabinet with rattan and sliding doors. I honestly screamed when I saw this one. I mean, just look at how beautiful it looks. Completely made out of natural materials, rattan with a frame and legs in solid pine, this cabinet has such an eerie expression and spreads a warm feeling into the room. Plus, the brass handles give that extra touch of elegance, which I love so much. And again, such a beautiful piece that looks like it's from an expensive designer store when it's actually IKEA. Another new cabinet from this collection is this glass cabinet with oak frame and sliding doors. This gorgeous display cabinet has a beautiful glass finish that showcases your finest items, making them the star attraction in the room. The handles are actually milled into the glass, making it that much more elegant and simple. This one has such a unique expression and a sturdy frame and is great for displaying your decor. And when we're talking about decor, I just have to mention the new vases from the Stockholm 2025 collection. First up, this unique organic shaped vase that looks so wabi-sabi. I mean, this one looks like a real sculpture. The stoneware's bubbles create an exciting expression where the mix of matte and glossy glaze makes the surface feel so alive. Another simple yet so elegant vase is also this tall vase with a shiny black surface. This one's mouth blown by skilled glass blower and is just perfect for a bouquet of roses or lilies on the floor or on the table. And another new vase from the Stockholm Collection 2025 I just have to mention is this beautiful brown vase in smoky glass. This one looks so mid-century modern in this beautiful, thick, brown colored glass. This vase is also created by a skilled glass blower and is a real work of art with an organic shape that adorns its place wherever you choose to place it. There are a few new rugs in the new 2025 Stockholm collection, and they all look so beautiful and so timeless. Let's start with this flat woven rug that comes in both black and green. This rug is hand woven with wool by skilled craftspeople and looks so good. It has the same pattern on both sides, so you can turn it over and it will withstand more wear and last even longer, which is amazing. It's ideal for a living room or under a dining table, since the flat woven surface makes it easy to pull out the chairs and vacuum. I just love this pattern so much and can't wait to see it in stores. Another one is this flat woven rug, also hand woven in wool. This one has such a retro feel to it with the geometric shapes and the brown, red and blue color scheme. Looks so good. And another one that looks like a new and improved version of the famous Stockholm rug is this black and white rug with green details. Loving how this one looks, and I can't wait to see it in stores. A new cushion cover from this collection that really caught my eye is this beautiful wool cushion cover with a geometric pattern. This one comes in two color options, green and a red one, and they both look so good. I love how IKEA uses so many natural materials for this collection, making quality pieces that look so timeless for years to come. And talking about natural materials, another new product from this collection is this warm and generously sized merino wool throw. This one comes in three color options, bright orange, bright blue, and green, and I especially love the orange one. It's honestly ideal for all seasons since wool is a heat-regulating material that keeps you cozy in both winter and summer. And we're finishing off with two decor pieces from this collection you just have to see. The first one is this pack of 2 candle holders. These are actually reversible candle holders. One side is for tall candles and one side for tea lights, which is so smart. They are made of solid metal, which makes the candlesticks both heavy and sturdy. They also come in 2 color options, black and gold, and although they both look amazing, I personally would opt for the black one. They look so gorgeous. And the last one is this beautiful tea light holder that I just cannot wait to get for my home. This tea light holder in thick clear glass resembles an ice cube and honestly looks like a little sculpture. Plus, this one's made out of borosilicate glass that's strong, durable, and less sensitive to temperature changes. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked this new IKEA collection as much as I did. If you did, let me know which find was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. I still cannot believe these amazing new products crafted beautifully in these natural materials. I just can't wait to see them in stores. However, there are almost 100 new products in this collection and they just couldn't fit in this one video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell allowing all notifications, since next week we are doing a part 2 and you just don't want to miss it. Thank you again so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hey buddy, you're awake? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Shall we show our subscribers your favorite toy? In the name of Easter, here is Mars's favorite toy. Okay, Mars, we'll let you be. Bye bye. See you next week.